When it comes to ensuring road safety and capturing every detail of your drive, a reliable dash cam is essential, and Lingdu has become a trusted name in the industry. Known for blending advanced features with user-friendly design, Lingdu dash cams offer high-resolution video, wide-angle lenses, and smart driving assistance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, here's a look at the top 5 Lingdu dash cams that deliver exceptional performance and peace of mind on the road. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Lingdu D500 Dash Cam. Offering cutting-edge recording capabilities and user-friendly features, this compact dash cam provides reliable video documentation for every drive. With Ultra HD 4K resolution, it captures exceptionally sharp footage, making it easy to read license plates, road signs, and other critical details. Whether driving in bright daylight or under streetlights at night, the advanced imaging technology ensures footage remains clear and usable, adding an extra layer of security to your daily commute or long-distance trips. Its 150 degrees wide field of view maximizes coverage without excessive distortion, reducing blind spots and ensuring all key activity around the vehicle is captured. The integrated GPS system records location, speed, and route data in real time, which is invaluable for insurance claims or tracking travel history. Combined with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, users can instantly access recorded videos through the dedicated mobile app without needing to remove the SD card or use a computer. This seamless connectivity streamlines the process of reviewing and sharing footage, especially useful during urgent situations. The dashcam also supports continuous loop recording and emergency video locking to ensure important files are never overwritten. Equipped with advanced night vision, the camera uses high-performance sensors to deliver sharp, low-noise recordings even in poor lighting. This feature ensures round-the-clock surveillance, whether the car is in motion or parked. The device's 24-hour parking monitor adds an extra layer of protection, automatically activating and recording if any motion or impact is detected while the vehicle is stationary. It acts like a silent guard, giving drivers peace of mind when leaving their car unattended. Voice control enhances hands-free operation, allowing users to start or stop recording, take photos, or perform other functions without distraction from the road. This feature, in combination with full app integration, makes the dashcam easy to operate for all levels of users. The sleek, discreet design allows it to blend into any vehicle interior, keeping a low profile while delivering high-end performance. Altogether, it's a smart investment in safety and accountability, offering the tools needed to capture, store, and access crucial footage when it matters most. Pros: 4K clarity, night vision, GPS function, Wi-Fi access. Cons: limited screen, voice sensitivity. Number 4. Lingdu D600 Dash Cam. Delivering exceptional clarity and complete road coverage, this advanced dash cam system is built for drivers who demand both precision and protection. Featuring true 4K 2160p Ultra HD resolution, it records crystal clear video from the front lens, capturing fine details like license plates, street signs, and unexpected movements with accuracy. Designed with rideshare and commercial drivers in mind, its 3-channel capability provides simultaneous recording for front, rear, and interior views, ideal for Uber, Lyft, and taxi services. This comprehensive coverage enhances security for both the driver and passengers, ensuring accountability from every angle. The built-in GPS module logs speed, coordinates, and route data in real time, making it easy to track trips and review incidents with precise location context. Integrated Wi-Fi connectivity allows for instant video playback and downloading through a dedicated mobile app, giving users quick access to footage without removing the memory card. Whether you're dealing with an insurance claim, law enforcement request, or passenger dispute, retrieving video evidence is streamlined and efficient. The dashcam also supports voice control, enabling hands-free operation for tasks like capturing snapshots or starting a new recording session while keeping eyes on the road. One of the standout features is the 24-hour parking monitor, which activates automatically to record if motion or impact is detected when the car is parked. This function helps protect against vandalism, theft, or accidental damage in parking lots or on the street. The camera's night vision capabilities further enhance its utility, using advanced low-light imaging to ensure footage remains sharp and visible even in dark environments. From evening drives to dimly lit garages, it continues to monitor and record with clarity. Its dual dashcam setup delivers wide-angle coverage, capturing not only what's ahead but also what's happening behind and inside the vehicle. This is particularly useful for rideshare drivers who need reliable documentation of interior interactions. The sleek and discreet design keeps the device low profile and professional, while high-quality components ensure dependable performance over time. Whether for personal use or professional driving, this dash cam offers a powerful combination of visibility, control, and peace of mind. Pros: 3-channel recording, 4K resolution, GPS tracking, parking mode. Cons: app learning curve, higher power use. Number 3. Lingdu LD02 dash cam. Engineered for drivers who prioritize detail, safety, and full coverage, this advanced dash cam system delivers an unmatched recording experience with its 5K resolution front camera and versatile 3-channel setup. Offering front, interior, and rear coverage in 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p quality, it captures every angle in sharp, vivid detail. Whether documenting a long road trip, monitoring passenger activity, or safeguarding your parked vehicle, this device delivers crisp footage that leaves nothing to question. Its high-resolution front lens is especially valuable in capturing essential details like road signs, license plates, and distant objects, even at higher speeds. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi offers fast, stable connectivity, allowing you to preview, download, and manage video files efficiently through a dedicated mobile app. Unlike older 2.4 GHz systems, the upgraded 5 GHz frequency ensures smoother streaming and quicker data transfers, ideal for accessing large 5K video files without delay. Hands-free voice control adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling you to start or stop recordings, take snapshots, or perform other commands in real time using simple English phrases, all while keeping your focus on the road. This dash cam is equipped with multi-channel recording options, letting users toggle between 1CH, 2CH, or full 3CH modes based on individual needs. Interior and rear cameras work seamlessly with the front unit, recording in full HD to ensure every perspective is covered. Whether you're a rideshare driver needing to monitor passengers or simply a commuter looking for full driving documentation, the flexibility of configuration makes this system highly adaptable. The 150 degrees field of view from each lens ensures broad coverage without excessive distortion. GPS integration provides real-time tracking of your speed, route, and location, invaluable for reviewing incidents or supporting insurance claims. Meanwhile, parking mode continues to offer protection while your vehicle is stationary, automatically recording if motion or impact is detected. The advanced night vision system, powered by high-quality image sensors, guarantees clarity even in poorly lit environments, so you never miss a crucial detail, day or night. Combining precision, intelligence, and ease of use, this dash cam stands out as a reliable tool for professional and personal drivers alike. From high-speed highway footage to quiet overnight surveillance, it delivers comprehensive coverage in a discreet, efficient design. Pros: 5K resolution, 3CH flexibility, fast Wi-Fi, GPS data. Cons: file size, complex setup. Number 2. Lingdu LD06 dash cam. Designed to provide unparalleled clarity and security, this dash cam system offers a robust set of features perfect for both everyday driving and parked vehicle protection. With a dual-camera setup, the Lingdu LD06 records in stunning 5K resolution for the front camera and 2K resolution for the rear, capturing all the important details of your journey. Whether you're navigating busy streets or cruising on the highway, it ensures every moment is recorded with precise clarity, from license plates and road signs to potential accidents or unexpected events. Equipped with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection, this dash cam allows for seamless synchronization with the Lingdu app, providing quick and stable access to your footage. This high-speed connectivity ensures that video downloads, live streaming, and file management are smooth and efficient, even when handling large 5K videos. You can easily access and manage your recordings right from your smartphone, saving time and effort when you need to review or share footage. One of the standout features is the 24-hour parking monitor, which keeps watch over your vehicle even when it's parked. Powered by a built-in G sensor, the camera automatically activates if any motion or impact is detected, recording crucial events to help prevent hit-and-runs, vandalism, or theft. This added protection is vital for peace of mind, especially when parking in high-risk areas. The built-in GPS system records your route, speed, and location, overlaying this data directly onto the video footage. This feature adds an extra layer of security, providing clear evidence of your driving path and vehicle speed, which can be especially helpful in the event of an accident or dispute. Additionally, the camera's voice control feature enables hands-free operation, allowing you to issue simple commands like take picture or open recording without taking your hands off the wheel, making it safer and more convenient to operate. Night vision and wide dynamic range ensure that the camera continues to deliver sharp, detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in dimly lit areas, the dashcam sensors adjust to the light, maintaining visibility and clarity. This feature is essential for capturing crucial evidence in low-light or dark environments. Compact and discreet, the Lingdu LD06 provides comprehensive surveillance both day and night, offering a high-definition, reliable solution for drivers who want full coverage on the road and in the parking lot. Pros: 5K front camera, parking mode, GPS overlay, voice control. Cons: complex setup. Number 1 in the winner is Lingdu C34 Lite Dashcam. This dashcam is a powerful and reliable tool for drivers seeking comprehensive surveillance and peace of mind, day or night. Equipped with a 4K front camera, this dashcam captures incredibly detailed footage, ensuring crystal clear recordings of the road ahead. The 1080p dual interior and rear cameras further enhance your coverage, allowing you to monitor what's happening inside and behind your vehicle. Whether you are driving, parked, or dealing with an incident, this system ensures that every important angle is captured with high resolution. The dashcam comes with a built-in GPS feature that records your vehicle's precise location, speed, and route, which can be overlaid directly onto the footage for a clear and comprehensive record of your journey. The integration of wide dynamic range technology balances lighting conditions, enhancing the quality of footage in varied environments. Whether you're driving under harsh sunlight or navigating dimly lit roads, the WDR technology ensures that the video remains clear and detailed, with reduced overexposure or underexposure. When night falls, the Lingdu C34 Lite truly shines, thanks to its super night vision feature combined with 6 infrared LEDs. These powerful LEDs provide exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions, ensuring your footage remains visible and sharp when the environment is dark. This feature is particularly important for capturing crucial details during nighttime driving or while your vehicle is parked overnight. Connectivity is a breeze with the built-in Wi-Fi 6, which offers faster speeds and more stable connections than previous Wi-Fi versions. The Lingdu app allows for seamless live streaming and quick video downloads, providing easy access to your footage from anywhere. The intuitive app control ensures you can review, share, or manage recordings directly from your smartphone, saving time and effort. The 24-hour parking mode, coupled with a G sensor, enhances vehicle security when you're not around. If any motion or impact is detected while the vehicle is parked, the dash cam will automatically lock the footage, preventing critical video from being overwritten. This feature is perfect for safeguarding against potential hit-and-runs, theft, or vandalism while your car is stationary. Overall, the Lingdu C34 Lite dash cam delivers an impressive combination of high-definition video quality, advanced features like night vision and GPS tracking, and robust parking surveillance capabilities, making it an ideal choice for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's security and ensure comprehensive coverage on the road. Pros: 4K front camera, night vision, GPS tracking, parking mode. Cons: limited rear view. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.